Hey, thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my homemade pizza that I made, and this is a vegan pizza. And the reason that I'm doing this is because the other day I was in the mall. I was trying to go fully vegan since May 1st, but I was in the mall and I passed the pizza restaurant and I was so tempted to buy a pizza even though I wasn't necessarily craving cheese. So I came up with a pizza of my own today and I had it for lunch, and this is pretty much what the pizza looks like. I thought it tastes pretty good. I also enjoyed it with a homemade strawberry shake, which I also filmed that too. So if you want to see how I make the shake as well, you can click on the video that shows you the shake that I made. But if you want to see how I made this vegan style pizza, stay with me. The first thing I'm doing is getting my Brooklyn bread pizza crust. There's 2 in a pack, but I'm only using 1. And I'm getting my Earth Balance buttery spread, which I softened some up and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. I have my vegan mozzarella cheese, my sea salt, basil, and garlic powder, my garden style pasta, and my chopped black olives, sliced onions, and tomatoes. Now I took the rack out of the oven and put some aluminum foil on there and started with my crust. Now from here, I basically am putting soft butter onto my crust first. And then I poured my pasta sauce on top of that. Now it's time to season the pasta sauce with some sea salt. And then from there, I'm adding plenty of garlic powder. I like my pizza with garlic powder, so I'm putting a lot on there. And following the garlic powder, I'm also putting a lot of basil. I wish I had some fresh basil, but this one will do as well. Now that I have all of my seasonings on there, it's basically time for the cheese at this point. So I'm spreading my vegan mozzarella cheese. And then from here, I'm adding my sliced tomatoes. I had to speed this part up for you guys. I didn't want the video to be too long. So I have my sliced tomatoes along with my sliced black olives and my red onions. So now at this point, it's ready to go in the oven. And I'm putting it in the oven. I'm using the temperature of 350 degrees, only cooking this for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, this is what my pizza looked like. It is very tasty. I went ahead and plated this up for you guys, and I had this for lunch. This was really, really good. I was satisfied. I did not want to go to a pizza restaurant after that. I am not craving pizza. And I also had this with a strawberry shake. It felt like I was eating fast food, but I'm really not. So this is a healthy version. And so there you have it. Let me know if you like this, guys. Alright, so there you have it. So that was my vegan pizza that I already enjoyed, of course. The only thing I didn't like about it was the cheese, because it doesn't seem to melt like real mozzarella does, but it was still tasty. It was still good though. I wish I would have had something green on my pizza, but you know, I was just being cheap. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know that in the comments too, because I kind of had fun doing this kind of video. If you want to see like just more vegan dishes that I made, let me know in the comments. Bye.